Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you honey mustard shrimp. 1 pound shrimp, tail on, no shell, deveined and clean. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons yellow mustard, 3 tablespoons honey, cilantro which is dhania 1 teaspoon, pepper 1 teaspoon, garlic, ginger, cumin, salt, half teaspoon each. And let's start making honey mustard shrimp. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. Bring olive oil and butter. If the butter is nicely melted, I'll bring shrimp. Mix it well. And on high gas, we're going to cook the shrimp for 1 minute. Cooking our shrimp for 1 minute, I'll bring yellow mustard. And honey. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cook the shrimps for 2 minutes. Another minute of cooking, altogether cooking for 2 minutes. The shrimp started to change the color. Together cooking for 3 minutes. Mix it well and I'll bring all the spices. Salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, cumin powder, red chili flakes, dhania, cilantro, and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cook another 2 minutes. Within 5 minutes, our shrimp will be ready. Altogether 5 minutes of cooking. The shrimps are nicely cooked. I'm going to turn off the gas and I will dish out. I have my serving platter ready. So quick and easy to make, very delicious appetizer. Yellow mustard with honey shrimps are ready. Please try it. And they are so delicious and you're going to love it. And if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.